Are you trying to turn off restricted mode on TikTok in 2023 but don't know how? In this video, I will show you exactly what to do. In just a few simple steps, you'll be able to access all of the content that was previously unavailable. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the TikTok app, tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then select Settings and Privacy. Once you are on the Settings page, tap where it says Content Preferences. So now what you want to do next is tap where it says Restricted Mode. And then simply tap Turn Off. And then enter the exact passcode that you created when you enabled the restricted mode. After that, just tap Next. And just like that, the restricted mode is now turned off. This is exactly how you turn off restricted mode on TikTok in 2023. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.